which of the following is not a correct relationship? We have been given 4 options and we have to find that which of the following relationships is incorrect. So let me begin with option A, which states that compounds 2 and 4 are metamers. Let me examine compounds 2 and 4. So what I come to know by looking at the molecular structures is that both of these compounds are ethers, and both of these ethers have one methyl group each bonded to the oxygen atom. And when I look at the other alkyl group, what I understand is that the arrangement of the carbon atoms is going to change, although the molecular formula remains equal. Hence, we can say that compounds 2 and 4 are metamers. Now, let me examine option B, which says that compounds 1 and 2 are functional isomers. So, when we look at compounds 1 and compound 2, what we understand is that option 1 is an alcohol and compound 2 is an ether. This is visible in the molecular structure diagram, and what we understand is that the molecular formula of compounds 1 and 2 is equal. Thus it implies that compounds 1 and 2 are functional isomers. Hence option A and option B cannot be the answer, as we are looking for an incorrect relationship. Now let me examine option C, which states that compounds 1 and 3 are chain isomers. So what we understand is that compound 1 is an alcohol and compound 3 is also an alcohol. Hence both of these have the same functional group, and the arrangement of the carbon atoms in the alkyl group attached to the hydroxyl group is changing, as we can see, but the molecular formula of compounds 1 and 3 is equal. In chain isomerism, there is a difference in arrangement of the carbon atoms in the parent chain, in the side chain, or both the parent chain and the side chain. Hence, we can readily say that compounds 1 and 3 are chain isomers. Now, let me examine compound 1 and compound 2. Let me examine compound 1 and compound 4. Compound 1 is an alcohol, compound 4 is an ether. So I can readily say that these do not have the same functional group. In a positional isomer, the functional group stays the same, only the position of the functional group in the carbon chain changes. Hence, the functional group is changing here, and thus these cannot be positional isomers. Hence, the given relationship that compounds 1 and 4 are positional isomers is completely wrong, and thus option D is the correct answer to this question.